everybody, this is Jay here at Action Powersports in beautiful Waukesha, Wisconsin. Wanted to do an update video. I shot a video on this not too long ago. This is the Duke 200. And the reason why we're doing an update this morning is because we got a crop of 2021s at a really good deal, $1,000 off MSRP. So with freight and setup and everything, you are less than $5,000 out the door for this amazing motorcycle. It's a Duke 200, so it gets really good gas mileage. ABS is standard, super easy to ride. So if you're looking for a first bike, a commuter bike, something that's a little more fuel efficient in this day and age, this bike is definitely the one for you. It's full size, so it's not a mini bike or a pocket bike or anything else like that. So if you're looking for a great value on a brand new 2021, our loss is your gain. Here it is, the 2021 KTM Duke 200 at a special price here. We've got a few of them left. Grab them while they're hot. Hit us up here at Action Powersports, where we'd be honored to put this really cool machine into your garage.